Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and just a real quick video for you guys today. So yes, I do have the iPhone 6s Plus, and while some people will be like, why are you going for older devices? If you even have to ask that question, then you really don't know me that well. I don't chase after the latest, newest devices that come out. Sure, I'll try to get my hands on them if I can. If it's realistic within my world, I will try to get them. But I mostly go after devices that I've had an interest in, and maybe at the time I just couldn't get, but I'm able to get it now. And that's what I do. I hunt down older phones. So here it is, iPhone 6s Plus, phablet, massive iPhone for me. Okay, some of you guys will be like, oh, it's just an iPhone 6s Plus. Yeah, well, for me, I've never had one. So, I mean, I haven't used a phablet in a long time. I've used the Pixel 3, the Pixel 2, the iPhone 7, the iPhone 6s, the iPhone SE. I've used smaller devices over the last couple of years, kind of strayed away from phablet-sized devices, just from like stressing my hands out. So, now actually having the 6s Plus, which is a phablet, it's, yeah, it's a bit beefy for me to hold it, but nonetheless, still functions pretty good, so I have no complaints there. But I'll tell you guys, you know, if you've wanted to go for an older device, something that is, you know, that is withstanding the test of times, because this device will get iOS 14 according to Apple, so I am pretty and largely stoked about that. The fact is that, you know, it still handles pretty good. I mean, for what it is, you know, 4-year-old device handles, was it a 4-year-old? No, 5-year-old. 5-year-old device still handles pretty good. So I have no complaints there. Not one bit, not one at all. And you know, the storage capacity, it's on the small side. It's only a 32 gig storage capacity, so that's nice for what I need. I don't really do a whole lot on iPhones, mostly just like, you know, take pictures, record video and things like that, watch a bit of YouTube, watch Sneed and Carlos and all them on Periscope. It's pretty much all I really do with the iPhone. I don't do anything crazy. I don't play, I mean, I play Pokemon Go, but I don't play any other crazy games on this thing, so that's just pretty much how it is for me. But yeah, you know, just using it and having a bigger device, bigger screen real estate, you know, it's good for watching Tubi TV and YouTube and stuff like that. Really like that. I kind of wish that it, you know, it had the same setup as the iPhone 7, where both the top and bottom were dual speakers, but it's only one speaker. It's at the bottom. But the best thing I like about this is that it has a headphone jack. So if, you know, like if I had AirPods or anything like that and they died out, I can use my TrebLab Z2 headphones that has a wired connection. So pretty solid. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to share with you guys. Picked this up a couple of days ago. I've been using it for the last couple of days. It is unlocked, so I've had the AT&T SIM in there. I recently switched it up and put the visible SIM inside of it, and I'm using that. And while it may not get the latest LTE band connections, it is still pretty fast for what my city you know, throws at me. I gotta say that much. But yeah, you know, really short video for you guys. Got a lot of things going on, and I'm excited because tomorrow morning I am picking up yet another device that I found on a hell of a good deal, and I'm super stoked, but I'm not gonna give that away. It's not a new device. It is an old device. Not super old, but it is the variant that I've always wanted. So I'm about to go and snatch that in the morning, and then I will make a video about that too as well. So that's pretty much it for right now, guys. And for those who are like, well, what phone is it? Let me give you a clue. It's panda colored. And so that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed my quick little video today, smash that like button to let me know. If you just subscribe to my channel, thanks for doing so. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload another video. And yeah, that is it for right now. If you guys ever had an iPhone 6s Plus, or if you're thinking about getting one, let me know in the comment section of the video. And yeah, I'll probably do a follow-up update to let you guys know my experience with it. But until next time, guys, as always, aloha.